Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop today with another furniture project. I want to make a side table for couch or bed, and today's task is to make this tree slice the same thickness and sand it up to 220 grit. You can see the tree slice, and you see it's very rough, so there's a lot of routing necessary. And the crack I will fill with concrete, I guess, because it's a natural material and I don't like epoxy or plastic in combination with wood projects. So, and here's the construction. It's a square frame, 2 of those, and just rest pieces of boards. I doubled it up so it's more stable. And these aluminum parts are from a broken greenhouse which collapsed during a storm. And the nice thing, they're pretty stiff. They have a T-slot on top, so I can add, or I have added some stub blocks on every side of these aluminum parts, here and back here and on the top sledge. Then it also have this groove where the glass parts were inside. Yeah, and here slides the bottom plate of my router, and everything slides super nice, and that's because I added some felt underneath here and also on the bottom plate. So I also made a lot of those things, and these are just pieces I can put under each corner to adjust the height. So it can fit for bigger tree slices or for bigger boards, and it's big, it's huge, so I can plane almost everything underneath there. So if you're interested how it's done, you can keep watching and I will do a time lapse for you. Enjoy! This is how it looks now. I just have to do a final pass. and then I can flip it around and do the other side. But super nice, and I like the form of the dark center of the wood piece. Nice. This side is done. Of course, sanding up to 220 grit. But so far so good. Now I flip it around. I turned this tree slice now, and now I have to remove some one more block under each corner. Just drilled some new holes and turned the router so I can attach the vacuum cleaner. Because beside these bigger chips there's so much dust you can see everywhere in the workshop now, and that's totally not cool. So now we start sanding and we go through all these discs. It starts with 40, 60, 80, 120, 150, 180, 220. So let's go, and I take you with me in the beginning and then I show you the finished result. Because sanding is the boring thing in the workshop. So, let's go. Rough mode. Uh, 220 grit, so far so good. I know there are some stripes. The next time I will do the last carving part just a tiny bit with a new router bit. So I will have a very sharp cut and a clean cut. But this is the bottom side, and now I will try to fill the whole, the big gap and also the tiny gaps, and the complete surface with concrete. And then I will see how it turns out if I sand everything down again and oil it up and wax it. How it looks now. Hopefully this will turn out beautiful. Hopefully. We will see. This was fast cement, so I will start sanding in, well, let's give it half an hour. Let's drink a coffee. But I think that could be awesome, I don't know. Now we can take a look. Do I like it? Is the question. I already did one as a present for my niece and without concrete, and it was a lot brighter, and here you can see the rings of the tree very good, and it has a kind of industrial look. So I guess that's perfect, because for the base I want to combine metal chains and wood, and yeah, so I think that's perfect for my kind of project. Nice.